Storm Team 2 Chief Meteorologist Brian Davis with the Miami Valley's certified most accurate forecast.
Yeah, the water intake and the electrolyte uptake are going to be needed all week long. We have excessive heat on the way. There still could be some spotty showers or an evening thunderstorm or two, but right now it looks like more than likely staying below severe limits. Maybe an isolated strong wind gust this evening, but a better chance again tomorrow afternoon, early evening of some of those storms popping up. As I mentioned, very hot, humid all week long. We're going to be looking at highs many days, mid to upper 90s. Heat advisory is in effect. Also, humidity levels high. So heat index numbers are going to be climbing over 100. Keep your fingers crossed. Looks like maybe towards Sunday of next week, we're going to have the potential for a cold front moving in, and behind that front, a drop off in temperatures early next week. This evening, about 89, 7 o'clock, still could be a spotty shower or thunderstorm, 85 at 9 o'clock, 81, 11 p.m. And muggy conditions tonight, only dropping into the mid 70s for overnight lows, 79 at 8 o'clock, 90 at noon, and then we'll have again the chance of a shower or thunderstorm later tomorrow. Right now, things pretty quiet over the Miami Valley. We're watching a little bit of rain southwest of us near Mason, moving northeast towards Lebanon along US 42. We'll see if that holds together. A thunderstorm out in the western part of Wayne County, Indiana. Not a lot of lightning strikes, though, with it. So at least at this point, storm levels staying below severe limits. We do have a severe thunderstorm warning over north central Ohio and also out along Interstate 77 in the eastern part of the state, but not nearly as many warnings as what we had in the middle part of the afternoon. Hot, humid air in place, a disturbance coming up from the southwest, and that may again bring that chance of a thunderstorm tomorrow. As I mentioned, a heat advisory in effect until Friday evening with those heat index numbers in the afternoon getting over the 100-degree mark, and also an air quality alert through midnight because of high ozone levels, but at least maybe some of the rain and the gustier winds mixing some of that out throughout the afternoon, plus cutting down some of the sun. Upper 80s expected this evening at 7 o'clock, mid 70s tomorrow morning at 6 p.m., highs tomorrow reaching the low to mid 90s north and the southern part of the Miami Valley, up to about 95 degrees here in the Dayton area. Those numbers tomorrow, they're going to be running about 10 degrees above normal for us. Here's the Bryant Heating and Cooling Systems camera. We can actually see that shower off to the south there in Warren County on the left side of your screen. Otherwise, a lot of sunshine right now on I-75, currently 90, and combined with our relative humidity, it feels like 96 degrees. Our weather checkers a little cooler to the east where we had more thunderstorm activity, hotter to the west. David Wessler, New Paris right now at 94. Barbara Richardson, Kettering at 94. Some scattered evening showers, thunderstorms, 74 for the overnight low. Muggy tonight. Partly sunny, hot and humid tomorrow. Again, there could be a spotty afternoon thunderstorm at 95 and 97 Wednesday. Notice the rain chances decreasing in the afternoon, but the heat is there all the way through Saturday. Finally, that break towards early next week.